Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Rosie here in my craft room again. Craft room, makeup room, of course, my messy little room. And so I'm just in here, just relaxing, chilling, opening some packages that I got in the mail. I ordered some stuff from Lane Bryant. I might do a video showing you guys what I purchased. And just opening some packages from my girl Miracle Sierra. You guys, you gotta go check out her boutique. So this video is solely dedicated for her. She just opened up her boutique. She's on Instagram and she's also on here on YouTube. Her Instagram and her YouTube is miracle_Sierra. And she just opened up her boutique. Her boutique is named Queen Rose Boutique. She named it after her mom, who her name is Rosa, I believe, like me, Rosa. And so yeah, so I just want to show you guys the beautiful lashes that I purchased from her. I'm gonna turn on my light here. And so I just wanted to share the lashes with you guys. So the package came on Saturday, but it's been pretty noisy around here because my neighbor is doing work in her yard. She's putting in pavers, and you know, I was doing my fence, so everybody seems to be doing like some kind of crazy construction and stuff like that. So I haven't really had time to film, but I wanted to share with you guys the lashes. Like, her lashes are beautiful. She has other stuff. I did place a second order with her for a headband and some earrings that I haven't received yet. She's down in Texas, so I'm sure it's on its way. But you know, mail always takes some time. And so this is her card. So the packaging looks like this. I will show you the front because it has my address on it. But it was so cute, the packaging. And this is her card. So it says shop us at Queen Rose Boutique, and that's her Instagram. Hopefully you guys can read that if it's not backwards. It says Queen Rose Boutique. And this is her card. It says Miracle Sierra. And so that's also her Instagram, and you can see her Instagram, miracle_Sierra_, and her email is also on there. Her YouTube channel is Miracle Sierra. But you guys, you have to follow her on Instagram. She also has the Instagram for her boutique, which is Queen Rose Boutique. So this is the cute thank you card that she put inside. And then all of her links are right there for her YouTube and her Instagram, Miracle Sierra, Queen Rose Boutique. So you guys have got to go check out her stuff. She has headbands, she has earrings, and she has beautiful mink lashes. So we were chatting a little bit on Instagram, like just DMing each other. She's such a super cool chick, you guys. Very down to earth, very positive. That's what I love about her. She's always encouraging on her YouTube channel, and she's always telling us to read Psalm 91, the prayer of protection. And so, you know, that resonates close to home because we are Christian. And so I just think she's just a super cool chick. I really love her a lot. So the packaging had the little thank you sticker on it, and oh my god, you guys, like, you know, oh, I'm a scrapbooker. So these are the lashes. I'll show you guys that in a minute. But you guys, she put all these cute little like confetti like things in the packaging. Like, it's so freaking cute. Look at the butterfly with the brushes. The little Texas, that's a Texas punch out. Oh my god, you guys, it's just so cute. She also does decals, like, you know how us scrapbookers do like stuff with our crickets, and like we do titles and stuff like that. Like, she also does that, and she puts it like on her cups and her makeup cups. Like, she'll get like cups like this and like put the stuff on it like that. So I can't wait for her to start doing that as well, because I would love to purchase some of those as well. But yeah, I'm gonna show you guys what she sent me. So the earrings come on this little thing right here. And so she sent me these cute angel earrings. Aren't they so adorable? They're just so stinking adorable. I cannot wait to wear them. They're so cute. As a matter of fact, let me pop them in right now, just so you guys can see what it looks like. Oh my god, they're just so cute. So that was a cute surprise. I have another girlfriend down in Texas, so it's so cool to like make new friends, and maybe one day hope to go to Texas one day and visit. Like, I've never been to Texas. Like, how cool would it be to just be able to visit some new friends in Texas one day? Like, that is so cool. My girlfriend Salima is down there in Texas. I have another friend from like junior high school down in Texas. So yeah, shout out to everybody down in Texas. All right, you guys, so let's dig right in. This is her packaging. It's so beautiful. Oh my god. Like, her packaging is gorgeous. And if you go on her YouTube, you will see videos of her story. She had her son, and so she had originally started her boutique selling her lashes, but because she had her son, she kind of had to like put things on pause for a little bit, and then now that he's a little bit bigger, like, she's able to start it up again. Oh my god, you guys, so she has some beautiful stuff. You guys have got to check it out. All right, so these are the 3 lashes that I got. So when she first launched her link, she had a sale, and I was able to get them 3 for $25. You can check her link now and see if she might be running any kind of sales on anything. But at the time I got these for 3 for $25, and they're so gorgeous, and I'll show you guys. This is the first one that I got. This one is a little bit more like fuller, longer, more boom. I'll take that out the box. I just love the packaging. The packaging is gorgeous. It looks like a little drawer. So that one's like really cute for like date night or something. Then this one also is like a very nice full thick lash, like a very boom, like I like to say. I call them all boom when they look like this, like very, like, you know, like they're full and thick. So this one, oh my god, I didn't even notice that. Well, now that I'm taking them out, I can see it actually has the name of the lash. So this one is Rose. How cute is that, that they're actually labeled? That is so cool. Good, because I totally forgot which ones I bought. Then this one is Royal. I really love this one. And then I picked this one for my girlfriend Alexis, because she likes the ones that are not like as full and thick and long. And this one is Jewel. So I'm gonna be giving this one to my girlfriend Alexis, but I believe she was ordering some herself, so if she didn't order this one, then I'll give her this one. And this one is Jewel. So this one is not like as full as Voom. This is more like an everyday lash, but they are gorgeous, you guys. Like, and she has many more. Like, these are just 3. Like, she has the very long ones. I think they're like 25 millimeter or something like that. Like the ones that are like really long mink lashes. I think they're even like bigger and longer than these two. Not really sure, but yeah, they're like bigger, thick mink lashes. And yeah, they're just absolutely gorgeous. So I like stuff like these two that are like more fuller, more vavavoom. This is more of an everyday lash, but oh my god, you guys, they're just so gorgeous. And look at the box. Like, the box is just gorgeous. And I can just sit them down, put all three back. I can put all three back in the boxes. They're nicely labeled so you know the name on it. Isn't that cool? So yeah, so I just love it because they look like cute little drawers, and I can just stack them. Like, I can put them over here, my makeup area, and my little bookshelf, my little makeup bookshelf right there, and just put them like this, stacked, and just pull it out, and I can see the names very easily of which one I'm pulling out. So yeah, I can't wait to order more of them from her. They're absolutely gorgeous, and she did recommend. We were talking, we were chatting for a bit. That's what I started to say before I lost my train of thought. She told me, I asked her like what the best glue would be for the lashes, and she told me to use duo glue. So I have the clear white blue duo glue right here. Is waterproof, but she told me, yeah, to get duo glue, and that the duo glue is the best ones that she likes for her to be used for her lashes. So, and this you can purchase at any beauty supply store, anywhere. Yeah, but yeah, you guys have got to check out my girl's boutique and get your lashes, get your cute earrings. And these are just one pair of earrings. She has some really big beautiful ones with the blue eye, and I really wanted that one, but by the time I went back on the site, it was sold out, you guys. Like, my girl is selling out, okay? Like, God bless her, she is selling out. So you gotta move quick, get on her website, get on her links, Instagram, and follow her, because my girl is selling out, okay? Like, now I'm on the waiting list for my Oho earrings. But yeah, I'm so excited. I can't wait to get my headband. I ordered one of the headbands. You guys know I love hair accessories, so I can't wait to get my headband. And the next time I do my makeup and I do a makeup look for you guys, I'm definitely gonna be using one of the lashes that I purchased, so you guys can see the full effect of how beautiful they are. All right, you guys, I'll talk to you guys soon. And one last time, I'll show you again all of her links. Miracle Sierra, Queen Rose Boutique. You can find her on Instagram and YouTube. So go follow my girl, and she will hook you guys up. All right, and shout out to her family, and everybody in Texas. Be safe, wear your mask, and don't forget, check the clearance out at the Dollar Tree. Yes, I got a Dollar Tree video coming up for you guys shortly. Go check out a video that I just posted. I just used that Eco Tools facial cleanser, the sponge. So go check out that video. I just did that video. I just posted that, and I should be having a Dollar Tree haul video up for you guys shortly. All right, I'll talk to you guys soon. Take care. Bye.